Warm greeting students. Today we will do question number 1 to 3 of exercise 3B. Question number 1 is a textile mill produced 1 crore 15 lakh 26,725 meters of cloth last year and 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980 meter of cloth this year. Find the total length of the cloth produced in 2 years. Also find how much more cloth is produced this year. So first we have to find the total length of the cloth produced in these 2 years. So to find out the total length of the cloth, first we have to add the length of the cloth produced in the last year and this year. Last year the length of cloth produced was 1 crore 15 lakh 26,725 and this year length of cloth produced was 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980. So to find out the total length of the cloth produced, we will add both the length. So while adding, first we write the numbers according to their place values. Now while adding the number, we will move from right to left. So at ones digit we have 5 plus 0, this will be 5. 2 plus 8, this will be 10. 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 7 plus 9, this will be 17. 7 here and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 6 plus 8, this will be 15. 15 here and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 2, this will be 3. 5 plus 9, this will be 14. 4 here and 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 plus 3, this will be 5 and 1 plus 2, this will be 2. So the total length of the cloth produced in these 2 years is 2 crore 54 lakh 35,705. Now we have to find how much more cloth is produced in this year from the previous year. So to find the how much more cloth is produced from this year to previous year, we will subtract the length of cloth produced in last year from the length of cloth produced in this year. So the length of cloth produced in this year is 1 crore 39 lakh 8,980 and the length of cloth produced last year was 1 crore 15 lakh 26,725. So we do the subtraction now. At ones place we have 0 and 5. 0 minus 5, this operation is not possible because 0 is smaller than 5. So 0 will take carry from the digit at the tens place. So this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, this will be 5. And this 8 will become 7. Now at tens place we have 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, this will be 5. At 100 place we have 9 minus 7, this will be 2. At 1000 place we have 8 minus 6, this will be 2. At 10,000 place we have 0 minus 2. This operation is also not possible because 0 is less than 2. So this 0 will become 10 here and this 9 at lakh place will become 8 here. So 10 minus 2, this will be 8 and 8 minus 5, this will be 3 at lakh place. At 10 lakh place we have 3 minus 1. So this will be 2. And at crore place we have 1 minus 1. So this will be 0. So now we have calculated how much more length is produced this year as comparison to the previous year. So the more length produced is 23,82,255. Question number 2 is how much more is 70 lakh than 48 lakh 45,760. So in this question we just simply have to subtract 48 lakh 45,760 from 70 lakh. So while doing calculation, first we have to write the numbers according to their place value, move from right to left from ones digit to 10 lakh digit and then do the subtraction. So at ones digit we have 0 minus 0, this will be 0. At tens place we have 0 minus 6. This operation is not possible as 0 is smaller number than 6. So this 0 will become 10 here, and 10 minus 6 here we have 4. So here this is also at 100 place 0, and it will become 10 here as it will be borrow one digit from the 1000 place. So it will become 10 here as it has given one borrow to the digit at the tens place. So it has become 9 here. So 9 minus 7 here we will have 2. Now at 1000 place we have 0 minus 5. This operation is also not possible because 0 is less than 5. So this 0 will become 10 here as this 10 has given one borrow to the digit at the 100 place. So this 10 will become 9 here. So 9 minus 4 we have 9 minus 5 we have 4 here. Now move to the 10,000 place. At 10,000 place we have 0 minus 4. This operation is also not possible because 0 is less than 4. So this 0 will become 10 here as this 10 has given one borrow to the digit at the 1000 place. So this 10 will become 9 here. So 9 minus 4, this will be 5. At lakh place also we have 0 minus 8. 0 is less than 8. So this operation is also not possible. So this 0 will become 10 here as this 0 have given one borrow to digit at the 10 lakh base. So this 10 will become 9 here. So 9 minus 8 we have 1 here. And this 7 has given borrow to the digit at the lakh place. So this 7 has become 6 here. So 6 minus 4 we have 2. So here our resultant answer will be 21,54,240. Now move to the next question. Our next question is, to make 8 crores, what number should be added to the sum of 95,26,532 and 6 crore 96,45,082. So in this question, first we have to add these two numbers, and we will subtract the sum of these two numbers from 8 crore. So first we add these two numbers. Our first number is 95,26,532 and next number is 6 crore 96,45,082. So while doing addition, at ones place we have 2 plus 2, this will be 4. At tens place we have 8 plus 3, this will be 11. 1 will here and 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 5, we have 6. At 1000 place we have 5 plus 6, this will be 11. 1 here and 1 will be carry forward. At 10,000 place we have 4 plus 2 plus 1. 1 is carry here, so this will be 7. At lakh place we have 6 plus 5. This will be 11. So 1 here and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 9 plus 9, this will be 19. 9 here and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 6 here and will be 7. So the sum of these number is 7 crore 91 lakh 71,614. Now to find the required number, we will subtract 7 crore 91 lakh 71,614 from 8 crore. So while doing calculation regarding subtraction, first write the numbers according to the place values. Now at ones place we have 0 minus 4. This operation is not possible because 0 is less than 4. So this 0 will become 10 here as it will borrow from the digit at the tens place. So this 0 will become 10 and 10 minus 4 we have 6 here. In the tens place we have 0 minus 1. This operation is also not possible because 0 is less than 1. So this 0 will become 10 here as it has given one borrow to the digit at the ones place. So this 10 has become 9 now. So 9 minus 1 we have 8. At 100 place we have 0 minus 6. This operation is also not possible because 0 is less than 6. So this 0 has become 10 here and this 10 has become 9 here as it has given borrow to the digit at the tens place. So 9 minus 6 we have 3 here. At thousand place similarly 0 is less than 1. So this 0 has become 10 here, and this 10 has also become 9 because it has given borrow to the digit at the hundred place. So 9 minus 1 here we have 8. At 10,000 place also we have 0 minus 7. This operation is not possible. So 0 has become 10 here, and this 10 has given borrow to the digit at the thousand place. So this 10 has become 9 here. So 9 minus 7 here we have 2. At lakhs place we have 0 minus 1. This operation is also not possible. So this 0 has become 10 here, and this 10 has become 9 here as it has given borrow 2 digit at the 10,000 place. So 9 minus 1, this will be 8. At 10 lakh place we have 0 minus 9. This operation is also not possible because 0 is less than 9. So this 0 has become 10 here as this 10 has given borrow to the digit at the lakh place. So this 10 has become 9 here. So 9 minus 9 here we have 0. So at the crore place we have 8. 8 has become 7 because it has given one borrow to digit at the 10 lakh place. So 7 minus 7 here we have 0. So our resultant required answer is 8,28,386.